What you would have received in your box is this base unit as well as your nasal dock. The nasal dock has 2 nasal pillows on them. They're made out of a medical grade silicone, and these are really nice and soft and flexible, so that's going to help you put them comfortably in your nose. Let me show you how to put the nasal dock onto the device. And while we're here, I'll also show you something really cool. You can turn the nasal dock around. But what that allows you to do is choose the direction that you want to go. So it can go from your right nostril through to your left nostril, or you can start from your left nostril and have the saline flow through to your right. So open up the lid to the crushing chamber, and then you're going to take some water. I like using warm water that's just comfortable to the touch, and you're going to fill it up to the fill line here. You always want to start with a new unused salt pod, and you're going to put it into the crushing chamber, foil side down, and then close the lid to the crushing chamber, and you're going to use both of your thumbs and firmly press down. So now we're ready to get started. I'm going to put the nose cleaner up to my nose and insert the nose pillows, and then I'm going to press the power button firmly all the way, and this starts the cycle. Now during the cycle, you just want to breathe naturally through your mouth. If this is your first time, you don't want to be talking like me. This is something that you can do once you're used to it, once you've done it a lot of times. Most people find it easy to get started with Navage, but if you have any questions, please call our customer service department. Our customer service representatives are daily users of Navage, and they're eager to help you get started. You're now on your way to a lifetime of better breathing with Navage Nasal Care.